Okay, so you have logged into Blackboard and you have entered your class, Tech Math. And so now we're going to talk about getting access to Pearson MyMathLab. So you can see we're on the announcements page, and the first announcement tells about needing that access. You have to have that access code in order to complete this course. So that MyMathLab access code can either be purchased from the bookstore or directly from Pearson. But the first assignment is going to be a cheating contract and syllabus quiz. When we click on that, that is going to be the first time we get opportunity to link our Blackboard account with a Pearson account. Once we get those linked, then after that, each assignment, when you click on it, it will just go to MyMathLab, to that specific assignment, and they will be connected. So, but for the first time, when we go to content, okay, so this is, you have read over the syllabus and you understand it all, and you really know all the content because you will be asked several questions about it. You have also went through the how-to videos. You understand how the course is going to work. The cheating contract must be taken first, and you have to score 100% on it in order to move on. Now, when you complete this cheating contract, you will be proctoring this just like you would a test in this course for the first time. The next video will be on how you do that. But we're going to start with how to link this to your Pearson account. So when we click on that first assignment, that cheating contract and syllabus quiz, it's going to take us to the Pearson site where we can create a Pearson account. So we've got a sign into your Pearson account, which most students will not have an account yet, and then we have a create a Pearson account. So when we hit create, you're going to enter your email address, you're going to create a username, you're going to create a password, you're going to enter your first and last name, do a security question, and then of course you're going to accept their license agreement to create your account. Once you create your account, you will be prompted to go ahead and enter your access code that you have already purchased. If something has happened and you have not been able to purchase it, maybe your financial aid hasn't come through, or you just have not been able to purchase it for some other reason, then there will be probably somewhere small on that page that gives you the option to get a temporary 2-week access code. Now you want to be very careful. If you do use the temporary access code, that is fine, but when that 2 weeks is over, you will have no access to Pearson. So by then you have to have purchased an access code either through the bookstore or through Pearson. So that's how you're going to link your Pearson account, which you create, to your Blackboard account, so that from now on, all of your assignments, when you click on them, they'll go right into MyMathLab for you to access. If you have questions, if they are technical, you can contact Pearson support or the campus support at Tech. If you have other questions, you can always email us to see if we can help with that also. All right, I hope this was helpful.